Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the original. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Next, pick Quick Selection or Object Selection. These tools read contrast and edges, so they're fast. Once chosen, zoom in and drag to capture the subject. Don't worry about stray areas yet. Make sure to adjust brush size as you go, because smaller brushes lock tight edges while larger ones speed bulk selection. This first pass gives you a solid base for refinement. Once you have the rough marquee, open Select and Mask to refine how Photoshop interprets the outline. This step resolves hair, fur, and translucent edges. Use the Refine Edge brush where edges are complex, and tweak smooth, feather, and contrast to balance sharpness versus realism. Shift Edge helps remove halos or include tiny overlaps. Then choose Output to layer Mask. This keeps your cutout reversible, so you can paint the mask later if a small edge needs correction. To finish, put a contrasting solid color layer under the mask subject to inspect fringing and stray pixels. Then paint the mask with black to hide or white to reveal. If color spill remains, use Select Color Range to pick the fringe and desaturate, or use Layer Matting to fringe for a quick fix. Once clean, export as PNG for transparency or place the subject on a new background. If things go wrong, reopen the mask and refine with a soft brush. You haven't destroyed any pixels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.